Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, I am Mercury, and today I am down at South Street Seaport. And this one is for my ham fam. That's right, it's Hamilton's 10th anniversary. Can you believe it? 10 years on Broadway since it started. And it's been an amazing run. So there's a lot of Hamilton stuff going on right now. So they were doing promotions around tickets. On the other app, there's a trend going on right now, which is absolutely hilarious, involving cosplay and running away. Absolutely love it. It's hilarious. And I was totally tempted to partake, but I did not, so you're not missing me doing it. But back to why I'm here, back to why I'm down at the Seaport. There is a Hamilton pop-up shop. So I want to see what they got. I want to see another way we could celebrate the 10th anniversary of Hamilton. The South Street Seaport, we are down in like the Wall Street area. So it's all the way downtown, right by the water. That's what's ahead of me. And there's a lot over here too. There's like a lot of shopping and restaurants. It's a really cool area, really historic. I mean, like, look at all the cobblestones and stuff, right? This is like old school New York at its finest. They also have the Seaport Museum is over here, and there is a sailing ship, like a tall ship that you are able to take a tour of over here in the water as well. So really a lot of stuff to do here. And again, there's just so much history. Like, if you ever wonder what New York was like way back in the day, like in the day of our founding fathers, I think that the Seaport area is probably the closest that you can get to sort of experiencing that feel. There are parts of like Soho that also still have the cobblestones, but I really feel like the Seaport, that's where it's at. Work, work, Angelica. Work, work, Eliza and Peggy. Where is the Hamilton shop? Is this it? Is this it? Oh, y'all, this is it. Because look up in the windows. So I found it outside. The second floor windows have sort of silhouettes from Hamilton. And this is the first floor, and you could see the entrance. So we are going to go and check it out. Okay, so they're open 11 to 8 today. And I am not throwing away my shot. Like for the 10th anniversary, like t-shirts and sweatshirts and, you know, like typical stuff, but they had stuff that was specifically branded for the 10th anniversary, which I thought was fantastic. And they also had these like really high quality sweaters, and one of them said like in a cursive font, like history has its eyes on you. I was like, I love it, I love it, I love it. And they did not miss the opportunity. They had shot glasses, and it said, I'm not throwing away my shot. That could have been such a missed opportunity, but they did it. They didn't miss it. They did not throw away their shot. They got it. So that pop-up shop, it's awesome. Check the hours. I think they're closed on Mondays. They're not open every single day, but it's down here on Front Street in South Street Seaport. And while we're over here, I'm gonna walk just across town, just across Fulton Street. We're gonna go one more place to honor 10th anniversary of Hamilton. Okay, so I am almost where I'm headed. Pardon the appearance here, y'all. It is quite a bit drizzly out, and I didn't bring an umbrella, but it's okay. It's all good. But I'm just about to where I was headed. Let me show you. So I am here at Wall Street, the financial center of New York City. So we're over here by the New York Stock Exchange, literally on Wall Street, and I'm turning to face Trinity Church. So Trinity Church, if you want to come and visit, this is located on Broadway and Wall Street. So let's see if the gates are open, if we're allowed in. And they are. So they let me know right now the church is closed, but the cemetery and chapel are open for visitors. So let's pay our respects. It's such an old cemetery. Like, you could feel the history just being here. And here we are, Alexander Hamilton's last resting place, right next to his wife Eliza. And also his son Philip is buried right by his side over here. We also have the gravesite of Hercules Mulligan, the tailor who helped smuggle secrets. He is also buried here in Trinity Church. So the cemetery has two sides, the north side and the south side, and the church is in the middle. Alexander Hamilton was buried on the south side of the church, and then as you progress through, you end up on the north side. Okay, so I left Trinity Church and I tried to duck out of the rain, so just in like one of these like little offshoot streets. Yeah, so this is just one way that you could have a Hamilton kind of a day here in New York City. Make it over to Broadway, see the show, go to the pop-up shop, and pay your respects to the actual Alexander Hamilton. So I guess with that, I am done for the day. I'll see you all real soon. And until then, stay inspired by everyone. Take care.